Hello, everybody. My name is Mark 4, and welcome back to episode 2 of A Sick Science Trick. Now, today we're going to be doing the water pepper surface tension trick, which you will need some water, pepper, soap, and a plate. Now, let me bring you down here and let me show you how to do this. So, what you're going to want to do is pour your water into a plate. Not too much water, you don't want to be wasting water, but just enough to get a nice layer of water like that. And then you're going to take your pepper and just absolutely season the ever-loving heavens out of this. Get a nice good layer of pepper on there. In fact, there we go. Look at all that pepper. Alright. And now you're going to want to get your soap. Any kind of soap will do. And you're going to just a little bit. You don't need much. Just like that much. And now you're going to put your finger in the center of the thing in 3, 2, 1. Look at all that. The soap breaks the surface tension of the water, causing the pepper to move to the areas with the most surface tension. Because it's hydrophobic. Does not like water. Anyway, thank you for watching, and come back next time for another sick science trick.